Welcome back to my channel. I am Debbie. Today I finally have my March month in review. Normally I will do that at the beginning of the following month, so I am a little late this month on doing that. I am doing this on the 6th of April, so not too bad. You will see this on the 7th, but normally I do like to have it much earlier, but it's been a crazy end of the month for March and kind of busy for the beginning of April, but I definitely wanted to do this. This one I've already done a post review and already had a kit down, which was multiple videos on that because this was 250 colors. This is one of my favorite canvases that I have completed. This did take me off and on over a year. I worked on it a little bit, I would stop, get back to it, but I'm so glad that I did finally get this finished just in time to start another Diamond Painting Deutschland. This one is Diana from Josephine Wall, and I just absolutely love her. I did add quite a bit of special drills in here, several ABs around the moon and the top of her headdress. I'm not sure if I'm gonna add anything to the one I'm working on now or not. I am wanting to have this framed. I have found another company that I'm going to check out to see how much it's going to cost and to frame this. So I'm definitely looking into that. And once I get that done, then I will show you guys. So that was one that I completed. So let me move this one out of the way. The next one that I have completed is Hannah Lynn, and this is called Rochelle from Diamond Art Club. And let me see if I can bring this one in a little bit. This one I have a post review that is going to be coming up on Sunday, and I love doing this one. Did not take me very long. I did finish this on March the 27th, and I completed this for Mermaids and Magic, so that is another event that I can mark off that I did complete. And it does have 51 colors, and I just love this rendering. This was the new drills from Diamond Art Club round, and I am definitely going to frame this one and put it in my craft room, but I thought that she was so pretty. And then I have this one. The next thing that I have is a work in progress, or a WIP. This one is Dragon Lady, and this is from Karen Yumi Lusted. This one I received as a sneak peek from Lazy River, and I've gotten not a lot done, but I love how the muted colors are. It looks very watercolory, and hopefully I will be able to work more on this in April and to get more completed. At least half is what I'd like to do. I am going to be spending a lot of time in April and May on my Diamond Painting Deutschland and for my event that I am co-hosting. And that one is 220 colors. So that one's gonna take me a long time, but in the evenings, I'm definitely going to work on this one and see how far that I get. So let me go over my goals to see where I am. And I am moving forward, not as fast as I probably would like to, but it is what it is. So for my goals for March, I had 8 goals for the year, and I wanted to complete 10 different companies by the end of the year, and I have completed 3 out of 10, so that's pretty good. I have 4 new to me companies, and so now I have 2 out of 4 because I'm adding Diamond Painting Deutschland to that second goal. And then 3 is 25 completions. I've now completed 8 out of those 25. 4 is 15 for my current stash. I've completed 7 out of 15. I am counting Rochelle as a new painting because I did purchase that recently. And then 5 was 20% of my Heaven and Earth cross-stitch conversion. I've completed 2% of that, so I have a long way to go. Not sure if I'm gonna get there. And then 6 was 3 events. I've now completed 2 out of 3. Number 7 was 2 months of no-buy kits, and I still have not mastered that yet. And with that, I really am not going to focus on the no-buy kits for 2 months because that really isn't going to help me with my goals. My goal is to not so much as, I do want to spend less, but I also want to work through my stash more so than to purchase. And then 8 is to complete 1 princess panel from Mandy Manzano that's in my stash, and I have not done that yet. So I think that I am well on my way with my goals. I am not worried that I'm not going to make them. If I do, great. If I don't, then, you know, that's okay too. That's just not really something that I'm too worried about. But I would like to meet as many of those as I possibly can. I hope that you enjoyed this short video, and I will see what I'm going to do, hopefully more in April. And until next time, happy diamond painting. Bye.